This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Michael Hindle. Beautiful waterfront 3-bed 2-bath 1.5 car garage, 21 new solar panels installed this year, paid for. No electric bills. Nice. Upgraded custom kitchen cabinets, impact windows, Barrell tile roof, pantry, large island kitchen, stainless steel appliances, tiled backsplash, tiled flooring throughout, 10 FD ceilings, custom doors, lighting, tinted windows, Plantation Shutters Laundry, tub covered and extended patio water filtration system, sprinklers, paved driveway in Central Parc Absolutely. Gorgeous home built 2017, close to Turnpike. Please see attachments for features and layout. For more information, review the details below or contact Michael Hindle at 954-655-6447.